Hi everyone, my name is Vrisha. Today is the 3rd of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla. We can see that the max OI level is now going to be only taken from 10 strikes up and down from the current spot price. This is because it was causing too much disparity between the PE max OI levels and spot price, which is pretty meaningless. So the CE stays the same, the PE has gone down, which is negative. Quantity is higher for CE, which is negative. The change in quantity is higher for CE, which is positive. Short squeeze is much higher for CE, which is a positive. PCR is still very oversold, which is positive. Applied volatility has gone down, which is positive. So has historical volatility, again a positive. RSI has gone up, which is positive. The RSI divergence does not exist, which is negative. Volume divergence does not exist here, which is also actually which is equals to, which means nothing. ADX is actually the same as last week, which is neutral. ATR has gone down, positive. EMAs both have still continued to go down, which is negative. VWAP has gone up, which is positive. Fibonacci pivot point has gone down, which is negative. But overall, support is 180. Previous weeks was 195. Resistance is the same at 210. And the prediction is that Tesla goes up this week. So, thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.